So if I asked you, who are you? How do you answer that? Now, I don't want to know your name. I don't want to know what you do. I want to know truly, who are you? See, by answering that question, I think you start to identify why you do what you do and the thoughts that you have. You start to identify your attitude, which then will shape your actions, which then over time starts to identify your behavior. And I think by identifying at your very core, what do you value? It becomes a very powerful amplifier to your goals, your dreams, and your aspirations. In essence, to your gifts. Now, you're going to need to give yourself time. You're going to need to have some level of consistency. And you also want this form of accountability, but not in a form of a right to criticize, but true accountability. Who are you? You know so many things in your life. Shouldn't you know who you are? I encourage you today.